Good day, everyone. Learn how to create labels in Gmail and move emails to that label. So we need to click on this three parallel lines at the top left hand side, and here you will find primary, emails, schedule, and below that you will have create label. You need to click on create label, and then we will mention anything whatever we want. Data. I just have given a general name and it has been created. Now I will click on back and I'll go to my primary email. And let's say if I want this email or select more. So if I'll select like this, and if I want to transfer these mails, move these emails to my label, I need to click on three dots, move to, and then we have created a label data important, and it has successfully selected. Now if you want to undo that, you can undo it, and next time when you will click on your recent labels, you will find all the emails right there. All right, so subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.